see what we got today. Friday. No cooling call. Take a look at your filter. When's the last time you changed that, sir?
I just moved in.
Oh, you just moved in?
Yeah, I moved in.
Blame it on the last guy then.
I moved in July.
Okay. Let's run this thing and see what it's doing.
Unfortunately, the door to the garage is still a little blocked.
That's fine.
Move, so that's what he said.
It's okay.
So just right around the corner.
Okay. All right. Probably just a cap. And that's probably why we're having these problems, because of all this. Boink. 70/5. Okay. Jackpot. Just go to House Call Pro. What I normally do is I just take pictures for my customers. This is a rental property, so they see what's going on. Stuff here, replace that too. Check it before we stick it back in there. Good. Good. This one was 70. It should be 70. 27. No good. All right, let's get this new one in here. So if you're changing this out and you lose a screw, like one of these two screws, you can take this screw here. I use these all the time. But that screw, you can see down in there, it connects to nothing. I don't know if you can see it or not. You can just take this one and reuse it if you happen to lose it. Okay. Strap. Strap. Just tighten that up. You're good. Common. Common. Fan, ground. Strap. Herm compressor. Okay. Fire that back up. Contactor's good. Keep this cleaned off, get this replaced, and get this thing back running. Alright, get the new insulation on there. Alright, that's the goal. Just always try to leave it a little bit better than how you found it, right? That's a little better. Okay. This coil's not bad, you can still see through it. So, just giving it a good douche. Doing this, once a year, keeping this clean is going to extend the life of your fan motor, your compressor, your capacitor, your contactor. Just keeping this thing clean, keeping your filter change can double the life of that stuff. You can clean this 10 different ways. You can take the top all the way off it, however you want to do it. You can chemically clean it. Some people just brush it down. Some people just hose it down. There's multiple ways you can do it, so I charge accordingly. This unit was not in bad shape, so wasn't too bad. Didn't take too much cleaning. This coil is a lot cleaner now, though. See what you got coming out here. Yeah, you should be good to go now, sir. All right, you have a good day. I'm gonna clean up and get out of here, okay?
Sounds good.
Enjoy your weekend.
You too. Thank you very much.
All right, so the pressures are good. Amp draws are good. Replace that Armor Flex. Don't wait till midsummer to have someone come out and do maintenance. Do it in the spring. Alleviate a lot of problems. So yeah, one more call for today, then I'm gonna take the rest of the day off.